Hey, tech enthusiasts, welcome to Tech Roundup. Microsoft is making news. Just like Google, let us get started. Google is reportedly reducing free storage on new accounts. Some users report getting only 5 GB instead of 15. The reduction would not be global. Google is testing the change only in some regions and just for new accounts. According to reports, some new accounts recover the 15 GB by verifying a phone number to validate identity. In the case of Guatemala, creating new accounts requires mandatory verification via QR phone or phone number. With verification, the 15 GB are obtained. The firm states the measure would help reduce abuse, bots, and accounts. For now, there is no evidence of reduction in existing accounts. The change seems to affect only new test accounts. Elon Musk co-founded OpenAI in 2015 as a non-profit focused on developing safe AI for the benefit of humanity. In 2024, Musk sued OpenAI, Sam Altman, and Greg Brockman, accusing them of leaving the mission to favor profits. According to Musk, OpenAI went from an open non-profit project to a commercial firm driven by huge investments. OpenAI replied that Musk knew about the commercial plans years before and even sought more control of the firm. During the trial, testimonies, emails, and internal notes emerged, increasing tension between Musk and executives. Musk seeks up to $150 billion, removing Altman and Brockman, and returning OpenAI to a non-profit setup. Today, the trial is in its final phase in California, with closing arguments and a verdict pending on OpenAI. Trump Mobile claims the T1 phone finally started shipping after several months of delays since its official announcement. The phone was shown in 2025, promising to launch that year, but suffered multiple delays and arrived in May 2026. According to reports, first units are arriving to pre-sale clients, though there is no massive evidence yet. The T1 phone is no longer promoted as fully made in the US. Now there is more talk about local assembly lines. Trump Mobile presents the device as a mobile alternative aimed at conservative users and national production. The project still raises doubts about who really makes the phone and who controls the actual operating company. Microsoft would cut internal use of Claude code, Anthropic's tool, according to sources cited by The Verge. Teams like Windows Outlook Teams and Microsoft 365 would have started a transition to GitHub Copilot CLI. Copilot is a tool powered mainly by OpenAI models and more aligned with Microsoft's own product ecosystem. So far, there is no official statement where Microsoft confirms abandoning Claude Code or a break with Anthropic. In fact, Anthropic's Claude tech keeps appearing in documentation and services related to Microsoft systems. An internal strategic change seems to happen to standardize dev tools rather than an abandonment of Anthropic. In our Linux distribution section this week, we had the following launches and their own specifications. Sparky Linux 8.3 is a GNU Linux distro based on Debian. It is a fast and fully configurable operating system. The LTS version uses kernel 6.12.86. In desktops, it includes KDE Plasma 6.3.6, among others. Besides the LTS version, it also has the semi-rolling version based on Debian Test, which includes kernel 7. The fourth release candidate of NetBSD 11.0 is out. NetBSD is a free, fast and open Unix-like operating system. It is available for a wide range of platforms from servers and desktops to laptops and embedded systems. It arrives with stable support for 64-bit RISC-V, including several boards and QEMU plus Snapdragon X Elite. It improves compatibility with POSIX 1 2024 and C23, plus expanding compat Linux with Apple and much more. It also improves the MPF firewall with Layer 2 filtering, adds a micro VM kernel, and the new VERT68K port. Archcraft 2026.05.12 is a minimal distro based on Arch Linux. It uses window managers and lightweight apps. Extremely fast. With pre-configured settings, it offers one of the best window manager experiences out there. Among the changes are the ISO profile updated to Arquiso 88A1 and a new base version with updated packages, update of some Archcraft packages and all AUR packages. Finally, small improvements and bug fixes. Aurora 44, a distribution based on Fedora, is built around KDE Plasma, customizable and highly adaptable. It offers a great experience out of the box. Among its features are automatic and permanent system updates. It has extended hardware support and a collection of scripts and utilities to help users without intrusion. In the download section, you can choose Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA GPU. It has around 2,500 active devices running. Luberri 26.1 is a distro based on Linux Mint 22 and therefore Ubuntu 24.04 as base, with support till 2029. This version does not present major changes. It brings kernel 6.8 and apps updated to May 5, 2026. It was created in 2010 based on Ubuntu and is of Spanish origin from the Basque country. Main language is Basque. It is a replacement for Ubuntu, installed on laptops of Colegio Antigua Luberri, from which it takes its name. These are the most important news related to our channel. See you next week for more technology news.